Guys, I want to do a quick video about my Echo saw. I had to take it off because the chain had fallen off the track. And when I went to get it back on, I couldn't do so because I couldn't get it over the drum, which if you're watching this video, probably the same issue. I watched another video and it talked about a star component that you have to do to adjust the chain brake to make this piece work correctly. Well, it's the chain brake, or the clutch brake, I think. But anyways, on mine, there's no way to do that. What I figured out was this part of the band in here comes all the way up and attaches to that inside here. So what I did was I simply took this and I put it on here, and you can see once you have the proper leverage, I wish I had two hands to film this, but anyways, once you do that, you can manipulate this easily backward and forward. And so I would use like a long wrench to do that. That way you don't have to put it actually back on the thing. And you can see there it is with the brake in one position. You can see how it's much tighter. There's a bunch of space. I'll do this. There we go. And now you can see it's expanded all the way out. And now that's going to allow it to slip right over this. So anyways, that's how I fixed mine on my Echo. I didn't see one for how to do it this way. So anyways, I'll put it back together and then I'll show you that it works. Be right back. All right, guys and gals, whoever's watching this video, you can see this is now back together. And you can see this is functioning properly. The chain brake is there and it pops back and forth as necessary. It went on super easy. Anyways, I just thought I'd show you guys that. I got to tighten the chain up just a touch, but should be going. I'm no chainsaw expert, so if you have any real questions, you should consult a real chainsaw person. Oops, I just saw something else. I got a little cracked bulb here, so I think I have to order one of those. They're only a few bucks. Last time I looked at it, maybe $6 or something like that. So I'll have to get that bulb fixed. But anyways, yeah, so that's how you put that chain back on this specific model. And by the way, this one is a CS450, but it might work for other Echoes or other chainsaws too. Who knows? They're probably all made mostly in the same factories as most stuff is these days. So anyways, if you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments section, and I will do my best to help with my limited knowledge. So thank you. Have a good day.